Mizoram, yeah, you know the name. Where peace and harmony ain't just a game. Got the hard-working man and a queen so fly. Underneath that blue northeastern sky. Mizoram, yeah, let the people hear. Where love and respect conquer all the fear. Aizawl down to lunlenthlak, the feeling's all the same. A gentle, righteous fire, a sweet and steady flame.
Check the man with hands of rugged grace, not chasing paper but a steady, honest pace. Hills draped in green, the freshest I ever seen. Sunrise creeping, the mist is hanging low. A different kind of tempo, a peaceful, easy flow. Not the hustle, bustle, no frantic city race. Just the rhythm of the bamboo in this tranquil space. They call it the land of the Mizo, a story in the breeze. Mizoram, yeah, you know the name. Where peace and harmony ain't just a game. Got the hard-working man and the queen so fly. Underneath that blue northeastern sky. Draped in a poinche, colors bright and bold. A story of a people, centuries old. They got a word for it, it's called hranlak. Means selfless service for ya sister and ya brother. It's a code they live by, it ain't just for pretend. Always ready to help a stranger or a friend. That's the foundation, the rock on which they stand. The human touch that blesses this enchanted land.
Yeah, and you don't stop, this won't stay. Yeah. Shout out to all my people in the Mizo hills. Keeping it peaceful, keeping it real. 90 style for the 25, one love.